conception for this conference, it's been a consortium of partners, and primarily an NGO called 4GBI, with ACity and Northeastern University as the main partners who have come together to organize this Medical Innovation Expo. Now, the vision really is, what is known as a fact is that 99% of medical devices in country is imported. When COVID hit and importation was a struggle, we survived. We were able to produce locally in that short amount of time and under that pressure. So we have the talent, we have the human capital. Yes, funding is a challenge, but you need to showcase what you have and the investors will come. The entrepreneurship opportunities are there.
So I worked on 2 projects, a surgical lamp and a digital stethoscope. And I wanted to use this program as a platform to share the product ideas with others and to network with other people, to see the innovation that others have and to get ideas from them.
We have a lot of innovative, high achieving, talented young people in all our institutions who are doing amazing things. How do we showcase some of these innovations? How can we bring everyone together so that traditionally, where everyone works in their little pockets, we all come together in one space so that we know what everyone is working on and collectively see how best we can push forward the agenda of locally produced, homegrown medical devices.
I think one thing I picked was from one of the panels with Dr. Lord. He said something very profound, that connections matter, collaborations matter, whether it's with the government, whether it's with stakeholders, whether it's with other companies that are doing similar things, whether foreign or internal. Connections matter. It's how we build. Without it, I don't think there's much room for growth for a lot of design companies in Ghana, especially in R&D.
Something I talked a lot about in my session was pain points. Right? If you can identify the pain point, what's the 1 or 2 things, no more than that? What are the 1 or 2 things that you experience that are a problem with a particular product or service or even a process, right? If there's an issue or a constraint or a barrier, that's where innovation can really happen. You take those pain points and you start to innovate on that. That's really how entrepreneurship and commercialization, that's the seed of what turns into and blossoms into something much bigger.
And so from the exhibitions that students across the country have showcased here, it's a testament to the future of locally produced medical devices in the country.